Hi everyone, my name is Fan and I'm a student of the University of Sydney. I'm going to present to you interactive audio and video, which are two important communication tools used in global project management. There are different ways to hold conversation over a long distance, such as audio conference, video conference, and web conference, and so on, so on. In this chapter, the main focus point is on audio and video conferencing. There are several differences between audio and video conferencing. First of all is the setup difficulties. Audio conferencing is easier to set up. It usually takes less than 20 seconds, but video conferencing normally takes around 2 minutes. This means the frequency of a whole audio meeting is higher than video meeting. Secondly, for hardware requirements, video needs more complicated devices than audio conferencing. For example, cameras. Also, video conferencing requires higher internet speed. It requires at least 128 KB bandwidth for conversation, and audio conferencing only needs 62 KB for fluent conversation. However, video conferencing has its own advantage. It allows people to have a visual contact, which makes them much easier to build trust among each other. For audio conferencing, there are the best practices. Firstly, evaluate the current situation. A survey is recommended to evaluate the current situation, and here's the example of how the survey should be conducted. After evaluating the current situation, evaluation the new audio conferencing solution is necessary to find out which the most acceptable solution. Secondly, implementing changes. Pilot implementation should be performed by one international project group or a group of project managers in different locations to ensure that the connection works from different countries. Thirdly, make sure the information of how to use the audio conferencing is provided for all team members. To make sure the procedure is clear, a checklist should be used. Lastly, to see how to implement improved communication in the project, we need to evaluate the implementation. It should be another survey to compare the result from this survey to the result in step 1 to see the total improvement. The best practices in video conferencing is quite similar. First of all, evaluation of the current situation. Try to find out the problem, and after that, implementing the changes to implement the new solution. A pilot session using the same type of equipment with at least 3 different rooms is recommended to validate how the equipment behaves in complicated conditions. Also, additional attention is required to see whether they can connect to the other type of video conferencing. For example, the older type of video conferencing system. Last but not least, evaluation of the performance after implementation is conducted. There's a checklist for it to make sure that the procedure is clear, and another survey is conducted to compare the result from the beginning. In my real life, I do not have working experience. However, when I did the school project, some of my classmates are not in Sydney. So in this case, we will call each other directly, but more commonly, we will video chat with each other via Skype or sending texts and audio by WhatsApp. Since this kind of software and application are not designed for project management, the experience of using them is not very good, so it's not recommended. Maybe we should use some more pro tools in global project management. So after introducing all this, I would like to leave two creative questions for you guys. Question one, what additional technologies would you recommend to your organization? And question two, what do these tools help communication in long distance? Yeah, here's my references, and that's all. Thank you guys.